So when I was young, I lived in illusion, but a happy one, because I was trapped in my thoughts. But back when you're kids, you just call it your imagination, because it sounds more pure, more light, devoid of baggage. But it's just thoughts. But I was happy just daydreaming and imagining myself in fun scenarios, and I was good. Now as an adult, I overthink and I'm living in a different kind of illusion, a prison. A trap of limiting self-beliefs based on my experiences and my patterns, and what I've gone through and what I've heard and what I've explored and what I've failed at and what I've learned. And all of that has compiled together to create me. And I don't like me very much. And worst off, it prevents me from making decisions, positive ones that could actually impact my life in a good way. I'll spend 2 hours deciding what to eat because everything has microplastics in it now. And what do in the end? I default to my default shitty settings. I eat cereal straight out of the box, and it's not the good kind. It's Fruit Loops. Yeah, that's paralysis by analysis. The fine art of thinking so much that you do absolutely nothing. Your brain tricked you into living an illusion instead of reality. So how can we make decisions without actually losing our mind? And maybe give in to some of those childlike instincts and our imagination, and believing that certain things are possible for us, and that not everything is going to end up in failure or disaster like it has before. Your brain is playing out all the possible scenarios, and usually it's going to focus on the bad ones because your brain is just trying to keep you alive. It's a threat response detector. Playing out every scenario like you're part of a 5-season Netflix original, and not the good ones. If I take this job, will I be successful? Or will I burn out and live in a van? If I text first, will they think I'm desperate? Or will I die alone? If I order tacos, will I regret it? Or is this my villain origin story? Overthinking creates fake problems. In the real world, it just keeps moving along without you. You're left behind, in your mind. That rhymed. That did too. Who knew? You overthink something for days, only for it to not even matter in the end. Chester, let me hear you.
It's so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Your brain likes to convince you every decision's life or death, but it's not, unless you're a surgeon. You're in mental quicksand most of the time. The more you think, the deeper you sink. You might tell yourself you're waiting for the perfect moment, but you're just stalling. Be honest with yourself. Perfectionism is just procrastination. Wearing a fancy-ass suit. I don't need to start my business yet. One more course. You just don't want to fail in public, and that's okay. The bottom line is, action creates clarity. Overthinking creates stress and forehead wrinkles. Trust me, I know. Botox is expensive, I'm just letting you all know. I did it once, $600. What's the 80-20 rule? 80% of your results come from 20% of your decisions. The rest is mostly noise. Any decision most of the time is better than no decision. Just pick something, and you can adjust it later on the go. Big decisions, give yourself a deadline. You should think those through, like where you're gonna live, what are you gonna do for the rest of your life. But small decisions, just give yourself 30 seconds, make the decision, move on. Fake decide if you have to. It's okay, we're all faking it until we make it, right? So here's the thing, thinking feels productive, but action is the only thing that creates results. Instead of thinking about writing a book, write one page. Instead of analyzing the gym routine to death, do one push-up. Instead of worrying if someone likes you, just send them the damn text. Cool thing is, once you start moving, overthinking fades. It's like if you're ever in a really good workout routine, you're not thinking about shit. You're in the moment, grinding it out, with awesome music playing, you're present, it's just you versus you. Those are the most beautiful moments, at least for me. Reality will always beat illusion. So to sum it up, your brain's lying, don't listen to it all the time. Overthinking is mental quicksand. Perfectionism is procrastination in disguise. 80-20 rule, most decisions aren't that deep. And take action, your brain will catch up later, don't worry. I hope this video helped. The illusion you're living in may feel good now, but in the long run, you're gonna regret it. Take action. Until next time, take care, bye-bye.